Homecoming at Bowling Green State University is just days away. As we prepare to welcome thousands of alumni and friends home, I want to share with you a new creative concept that we are launching. In addition to the football game and all of our traditional events, this year we are also hosting Falconland, an interactive experience of campus and all it has to offer. Starting at 10 a.m. on Saturday, September 14th, you can explore more than 20 featured stops on a self-guided tour. I'm actually standing at one of those locations, the newly installed BGSU letters right in front of the Bowen-Thompson Student Union. It's a perfect stop to capture a BGSU memory, and it keeps going. You can explore our marine biology lab. You can get a tasty hands-on treat at the teaching kitchen at the Oaks. You can witness real-time scientific demonstrations of industrial training robots in the mechatronics lab. You can also see how your students and our students and faculty artists blow glass in the School of Art. You can gear up for the climbing wall in the Student Recreation Center. You can also stop by the Brown Popular Culture Library to check out one of the most comprehensive archives of its kind in the United States, and so much more. You will even recognize sites from the previous Rogers Reports videos. You'll get to experience what we've been highlighting every month. So go to bgsu.edu/Falconland for more information. There, you will get to learn about everything we are showcasing, and you can download a fun map to track your Falconland journey. I hope to see you at Falconland and the BGSU football game on Saturday, September 14th. It's going to be a homecoming to remember. Hi, Ziggy Zumba.